problems from students who sent in that they were able to find the answer, not really sure how they did it, and had some additional questions. So let's start at the very beginning. Reading here, a survey looked at how long a typical company takes to recoup its initial investment in research, and then you see here the data for the responses in the number of months. And you can see the numbers there. So what we do, you probably know how to do this already, click there to copy the data to your clipboard, and then open up Excel. And I've copied those data right here and then formatted them to all be of equal decimal. I've numbered the observations in this column here, and then I just used a little if-then statement to decide if the value in the field was over 6 or not, to keep me from having to do anything that involved any real thinking. And 1 means that it is over 6, and 0 means that it is not. So if I add all of my 1s, that means 14 were over 6, and I know there were 20 total, so 6 were not. So let Excel do that part for me too. Here you can see that my result is B23, or 20, the value 20 in this case, minus 14. The result of that formula is 6, and the remaining is 14, which is just 20 minus the number that were over 6 or fewer months. So the probability of success here would be, in our sample, 6 divided by 20. However, historically, we've seen that 38% of companies achieve a research payback in 6 or fewer months, and the problem is asking us to calculate the probability of obtaining at most the number of corporations that we found in this survey, meaning the probability of calculating at most 6 companies recoup their investment. Another way to say that is find that the probability of companies recouping their investment is somewhere between 0 and 6 because of this keyword up here, at most. Another way to say that is find the probability that X, the number of companies recouping their investment, is 6, or that it's 5, or that it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, adding up all of those. The way I've gone ahead and done that is over in this couple of columns here. The probability that X, the number of companies, is equal exactly to 6 is used by using the binomial formula and putting in 20 as N and 6 as X, with the probability of X being 38%, and the complement to that, of course, is 62%. I used my XLBizStat calculator for that, so my sample size is 20. I'm looking for the probability of 6 successes, and here you can see my probability of a success is already coded. So the probability of getting 6 and exactly 6 companies recouping investment is a little over 14%. I take that value, copy it, go back to my worksheet, highlight that cell, choose Paste Special Values, and simply paste that number in there. And then I repeat that step for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I add them up, and I get 0.3118, or just over 31% chance of having this result happen, meaning 6 or fewer companies having the payback. And if I look back then at my homework help, we see that the probability, according to the book, is indeed 0.3118. Hope you enjoyed the video tutorial, and be sure to let me know your thoughts if it was helpful or not, and if you'd like to see more. Thanks.